bit of scary news that happened, especially if you are a Breaking Bad or Better Call Saul fan, or just a Bob Odenkirk fan at all, for any of the many projects that he's done over the years. Had a bit of a medical scare, had a bit of a heart issue, a mild heart attack. He's said to be fine, but the statement came out. Bob Odenkirk passes out or whatever on set of Better Call Saul, which is an amazing. Not only is Better Call Saul just an amazing show on its own, but the fact that it's a spin-off prequel show to another historically great show in Breaking Bad. Like, that's amazing to not only have, I mean, I guess similarly, if I had to compare it to two other shows, it would be Cheers and Frasier. Like, Frasier was a spin-off of Cheers. But this one, I mean, not a sitcom. This is, single camera drama. But Better Call Saul is amazing. So good. So good. It's crazy that it's just going to be insane whenever they match the two series together, which has got to happen. I mean, that's got to be the plan, to eventually merge Better Call Saul and Breaking Bad. And it's just, I'm going to really enjoy rewatching all of Better Call Saul and then go right on through Breaking Bad. But yeah, Bob Odenkirk is doing good, thankfully. Be safe. We don't need... There's so many politicians that I would rather see dead than Bob Odenkirk. There's so many actors I would rather see dead than Bob Odenkirk. Politicians more so than actors. But, yeah, thankfully, nothing is wrong with Bob here. He's doing okay. Excited for the new season of whatever season they're on now of Better Call Saul. I don't even know if I'm caught up, but I love that show. It's always fun to binge whenever they release a new season on Netflix.